Welcome back to Houston Life. And when it comes to your health, sleeping plays a critical role.
That is so true. And to sleep well, you need the right mattress. So why not visit the only place in Texas where they are known as the Mattress Experts?
I feel like every time I see you, you've opened a new location.
That's right.
And you open locations where people are asking for you to open.
Yeah. And that's how we decided to open this location off of Tomball Highway in Louetta. And when customers ask for something and it makes sense, then we do it.
If you build it, they will come.
Amen.
You've been doing this 47 years.
Mm-hmm.
You are a mattress expert. Every component that goes into these mattresses, I've known you long enough to know a little bit about your business. I've been lucky enough to see behind the scenes. There's really nobody in Houston or in the state of Texas who does what you do.
Thank you. First of all, I have to tell you, I love what I do. I really do. I love what I do. My favorite thing to do is be in stores and meet customers. I love it. Being a mattress expert means that you know everything that's inside this mattress. And I do mean everything. And you can tell a customer, for example, if you wake up in the morning, you're tired, you're in pain, like you're sitting there and you feel your back is tight, it's your mattress.
And many of us know what it feels like to not have a good night's sleep.
Exactly.
That's very common, right? I mean, we've all had a bad night's sleep at some point.
That's exactly right.
But there is a science behind being fitted into the right mattress for you and your body type, right?
Right. So, for example, when you walk into my stores, my job is to show you, educate you, make you feel the different beds, okay? And then ensure that you're comfortable.
When someone is shopping for a mattress, how many mattresses should they try out before picking the one for them?
3.
If you order a mattress today, how long does it take to be delivered?
7 days.
How long have you been in this business?
47 years.
Is a more expensive mattress better than a less expensive mattress?
No.
Why do people spend so much money on mattresses?
Because the mattress industry is no longer a mattress industry, it's a marketing industry. You're buying a name, right?
I think our guest room mattress we paid around $450, $500 for.
That's correct.
When we've had that for 9 years. Guests love it. They rave about it.
Exactly. Because you bought the right mattress. When you told me this is for a guest bedroom, I know exactly which one it is. It's the doubling. I know exactly which one it is. I said, that's a perfect mattress for you. What I love the most is you come in, right? You like soft. Your partner likes firm. So we gauge what you like in soft, what he likes in firm, and then we make a full king half and half. Doesn't cost you anything because I manufacture everything. Here it's not going to cost you a nickel more. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing at all. It's all based on components. Period. And it doesn't cost me anything. Why should it cost you?
No place does that.
Well, you're right.
We were on vacation recently, true story, and lovely vacation, horrible night's sleep. In fact, by the third day, my back was really acting up.
Mm-hmm.
And on the plane home, Brandon and I were saying, we cannot wait to get home to sleep in our own bed. Texas Mattress Makers mattresses, of course. What do you do when you go on vacation?
I hate the mattresses. I cannot sleep on something that is overly soft, and if I sleep on something that's firm, it kills me.
You don't take your own mattress on vacation, you
If I could, I would. On the flip side, my wife can sleep on anything.
Interesting.
Literally. Yeah. She puts her head on the pillow, she's gone.
Congratulations on your Tomball location. What does this bring your total to now?
This is number 13, but wait, I got some news for you.
Tell me.
Okay, so we got Tomball.
Yeah.
Okay, soon to come we have Cypress, like $290.99, and then I'm going to Pasadena on Fairmont and Beltway 8, and I got another surprise for you. I'll tell you next month. That one is, special.
So you're opening stores where customers are asking you to open, and you still are growing. More locations to be announced soon?
Oh yeah. Yeah, seriously. Yeah.
That's great. Congrats.
Thank you.
I knew you when you just had one location, the factory downtown.
You knew when I was a young kid.
A young
Remember?
chap.
You used to take me to school.
I did. Those were the days.
I know what you mean.
Yes, feels like just yesterday I was dropping you all off at school. Hey, by the way, that Tomball location is now open, and right now you can find queen mattresses starting at just $5.99 plus free delivery on select mattresses. By the way, you can also save 20% off cooling mattresses. Comes in very handy during the Houston summers. TexasMattressMakers.com is the website to visit if you want to find a showroom near you.